Come with me to Mount Carmel Waterfalls on the Mount Carmel Trail. Never done this one before. Should be fun.
You're independent. You're independent woman. Independent woman. Such a beautiful sight. The love of my
To get to the waterfall itself, we had quite a long, treacherous path down the mountain. It was treacherous because it had been raining torrentially the night before, so the ground was very muddy and very slippery. But I thought to myself, my mum did this a few months ago and she's in her 70s. If she can do this, then so can I. It ain't nothing. That is smarting, as we like to say in Grenada. The kids were moaning, however. By the time we got halfway through, they were over it and I was over them. But I did try to make them know that once we get there, it's going to be worth it. I was still over them.
like the morning sun. When I'm with you, yeah, baby. If I stand up, I love you, I love you.
Look at this beautiful scenery. I couldn't have expected what was to come.
Woo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, wow. Mercedes. Wow. You lot take time.
That's amazing.
That's sick.
Yeah, even better though.
That's gonna be climbing the entire thing again.
Look, bring your lot's clothes over here. Bring your lot's stuff over here.
You can do it, thank you.
Oh yeah, my slippers. Put it over here. Put it over here. Put it over here.
Where? This?
Yeah, put it all there.
What?
God, Mercedes. This fucking look at that.
Where's my gas splinter?
Absolutely stunning. Waterfall's great because it's got areas where the kids can swim if they don't want to climb up the rocks, which was a bit dangerous.
Does your travel insurance cover this?
I went as far as I could, but then the water was stinging my eyes. My brother's a braver man than me.
Like the beaches, a little bit of black, little bit of brown, little bit of white. In your features, you shine so bright.
Overall, I would say the experience was 10 out of 10. If you ever get to Grenada, please do check out Mount Carmel Waterfall. You do have to pay an entry fee, but it's only like $2.50 per adult. Kids go down free, and it's really to contribute to the people that help run the place and show the tours and stuff. And it is an amazing waterfall. People always tell you to go to Concord Falls or Undell Falls, but this one is well worth the visit too.